So you peel the coconut, find one of the holes that's easier to puncture. Hit the coconut at the middle of the sphere in a circular fashion, like this. Cut the coconut in small pieces. Handful of pieces into the pot, maybe 2. Add water to the pot to cover the pieces. That's enough. You want enough water in the pot so that the vertical mixer can enter and not touch the bottom. Get your favorite mug, get the strainer to separate the pulp from the liquid. Pour about half to fill the mug, just half. A bit more. That should do it. Get your pineapple box. What do you call it? A can. Okay. Get the can. Open it. Ah! Made a mess here. And top it up. If you have any grinded cinnamon, it would be nice, but not necessary. And try it. My God, whoa.